I am Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals. Here's some of what we'll be watching in the economy this week. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. First up will be the release on Tuesday of the National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index for July. Economists expect a reading of 57, which would be a couple of points higher than the June measure. Despite the fact that rates for 30-year mortgages are at their highest level in the last 2 decades, the index has increased steadily over the last 6 months. Experts largely attribute the improved sentiment to greater demand resulting from an inventory shortage. On Wednesday, the government will weigh in with housing market data of its own when the Census Bureau releases the number of housing starts in June. Economists project a sizable drop to 1.45 million units from the 1.63 million units in May, although the May figure was the highest in more than a year. Then on Thursday, the National Association of Realtors will chime in with its number for sales of existing homes in June. It's projected that sales of previously owned homes fell slightly last month to 4.23 million units from 4.3 million units in May. That still would be well above the 4 million units posted in December, but it also would remain among the lowest figures of the last 25 years. Also this week, the Census Bureau will update us on consumer spending when it passes along retail sales figures for June. Economists expect to see that sales rose a half point month over month, which would be an improvement over the 0.3% increase in May. On an annual basis, however, it's anticipated that retail sales increased just 1.1%, which would be the smallest year-over-year gain since early on in the 2020 global health crisis. Finally, on Thursday, the Conference Board will release its leading economic index for June. The LEI has dropped for 14 straight months, which points to an increased likelihood we'll see an economic downturn in the foreseeable future. That's all for now. Please check back with us again at the end of the week when we'll recap some of the bigger economic developments. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.